Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right here, you're looking at our 15 chicken rotisserie machine. Okay, this is going to have 3 levels. Obviously, each level is going to have a capacity of 5 chicken each level, and you also have an adjuster for each level as well. Okay, we have our adjusters on the side. We have our switches here for the rotation. Is automatic rotation. Also have a fan switch. Okay, on the top, and a lighting switch as well. Okay, this unit is going to be certified by your health department. If you follow me over to the side, you can locate that on this sticker. Okay, locate all the specs and info on this rotisserie machine on the side of that sticker. Okay, now I want to go ahead and open up the doors and measure this work area so you know what this measures. You're looking at 36 inches for the work area on the inside. Okay, the unit is going to be for natural gas. You can either use this for natural gas or propane. You have the option. It is already set up for natural gas, but if you want to go ahead and use it for propane, we will provide the conversion kit in order to switch that to propane. Okay, now I want to go ahead and measure the width. For the width, you're looking at 47 inches. Front to back, 19. And the overall height, you're looking at 28 inches. And if you follow me over to the back, you can locate your gas entry as well as electric plug for the rotation. The plug will be a standard US plug, runs on 110 volt. Okay, so it's going to be a 15 chicken rotisserie machine. You also will be provided with a user manual, so if you have any questions or don't know how to use the unit, all the information is on the booklet. For more information, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more info as well as pricing for this unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.